Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 33 nautical miles northeast of Pinto Island to 9 nautical miles north of Battleship Park to 18 nautical miles northwest of Pascagoula, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
The local Doppler radar.
Lagoon, East Fowl River Bridge, Fort Pickens, Mississippi, Pascagoula, Battleship Park, Point Clear, Pensacola Bay, Weeks Bay, Dog River Bridge, and West Santa Rosa Sound. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound. The National